Good morning. Welcome to your Wednesday, September 6th daily operation weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have some scattered showers moving just east of the area as well as off to our northwest, with just some scattered convective activity as well, all associated with a cold front that is currently located off to our northwest and will be slowly pushing through the area today and eventually moving through later this evening and providing us with our best chances for showers and thunderstorms later this evening and during the overnight hours, as well as some scattered thunderstorms associated with these showers as the front moves through. So look at the zoom in over the satellite with the radar imagery as well, again showing the showers offshore as well as some scattered convective activity off to our northwest. We are running about a 20% chance of thunderstorms this morning, as well as a chance for some scattered showers. And those chances will gradually increase during after the noontime hour, and then our best chances look to be after about 6 p.m. this evening, with about a 55% chance of thunderstorms and with rain likely as well. And we should see temperatures ranging just below seasonable values, as we'll have high temperatures topping out in the upper 70s for our daytime highs today. So as we look at the current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, few at 3,000, few at 6,000, scattered at 12,000, and then ceilings at 20 and 25,000 feet. Our winds were out of the southwest at 9 knots with a temperature of 73 degrees. For the next 24 hours, again, we do have chances for rain showers and thunderstorms pretty much throughout the next 12 to 18 hours. As you can see, we have about a 20% chance of thunderstorms from here on until about noontime today, and then those chances will increase after 12 o'clock to about 30%, and then rain becoming more likely as well. Again, we'll have a high temperature of around 79 degrees, and that'll be reached just around the noontime hour, as we're expecting clouds to increase after about 12 p.m., eventually becoming overcast at about 9,000 feet, with chances for showers increasing. Then rain becomes very likely after 4 p.m. this afternoon, with a 55% chance of thunderstorms after 6 p.m., and that'll continue through about 9 p.m. this evening in terms of the likely chances of thunderstorms. Rain chances will continue, however, in the likely scenario as we go through the midnight hour, as that cold front will be moving through the area. It looks like it'll be timing out just around between 5 and 6 o'clock, and then slowly pushing offshore, and showers will linger across the area as we'll have weak waves of low pressure riding along that boundary. Then their showers will continue through the overnight hours and then eventually look to dissipate about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning with some light rain shower activity. And then our clouds go from mostly cloudy to mostly clear tomorrow morning. As you can see, we'll get down to a low of around 62 degrees, which is fairly seasonable for this time of year. As we go into Thursday and Friday, looks like absolutely gorgeous conditions behind this cold front, with high pressure settling over the area and providing some unseasonably cool conditions with high temperatures in the mid-70s, which will be a welcome start to the beginning of September, as our normal daytime highs are in the lower 80s. As you can see, mostly cloudy early, becoming mostly sunny and pleasant on Thursday with a high of 75 degrees, a low of 57 degrees Thursday night into Friday, and then sunny and pleasant on Friday with a high of 74 degrees. Just taking a quick look at Hurricane Irma, which is still a Category 5 hurricane, just moved through the northern Lesser Antilles overnight last night, and will continue to progress west-northwestward today. As you can see on the satellite imagery as well, do have Tropical Storm Jose that'll be trailing just behind that. So quite an active time period in the Atlantic for early September. As you can see, National Hurricane Center still listing Irma as a Category 5 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour and a minimum central pressure of 918. Yesterday around this time it was about 929, so we've dipped about 10 millibars over the past 24 hours and still moving in a west-northwesterly direction at 16 miles per hour. The National Hurricane Center forecast is still taking us into south-central Miami on Sunday, making landfall, but there has been quite a shift in the models. Yesterday, A lot of the model trends wanted to take it into western Florida, but as of the 6Z runs this morning, they have made a drastic shift eastward, as well as the operational models. And this is all really going to be dependent on the high pressure system that's over the central Atlantic and how the upper level trough behind this cold front that will be moving through this evening will deepen and possibly break down that ridge, allowing for Irma to possibly push farther eastward than what the National Hurricane Center is depicting. So we'll certainly have to keep an eye on this one, as the model or the track uncertainty still remains fairly high, even as we're inching closer in terms of the forecasted impact on South Florida for Sunday. But we're certainly not out of the woods yet, and we'll continue to monitor and update as necessary. Well, that'll conclude the 8:15 weather briefing. We'll be back with you for the 10 a.m. weather briefing. Have a great day.